Conventional vehicles lack specific components that are needed to run on E85, but now there's a solution for that.
We have made converting your conventional vehicle to flex fuel really easy and safe.
Because they actually verify that your vehicle can withstand E85 before installation.
We can guarantee that it's compatible and you won't have any issues running E85 gas or any mix of them.
How does it work?
We have control unit, ethanol sensor and wiring harness. That ethanol sensor is going to go to the fuel line of that vehicle. From there it's going to detect the exact ethanol gasoline ratio in the fuel.
Then the kit will talk to the vehicle's control unit in order to fine-tune the fuel injection to match that ethanol content.
Everything that is done under the hood, so you don't need to change your fuel tank or anything like that. And the car is not changed permanently, so actually it can be removed and the car returned to original.
E85 offers a variety of value to the consumer, depending on what you want from it.
The main benefits is that you can save money on fuel.
Higher performance due to its 100+ octane.
It has way lower CO2 emissions and also it burns cleaner, so it's better for the car and also better for the environment.
We dream about the future of low emission travel.
We have partnered up with Pearson Fuels because we both have the same mission, that we want to enable a greener, cleaner way to do transportation.
So stop using low-octane fossil fuels.
Get an eFlex kit and use E85, you'll get more power, you'll save on pump, you'll save the environment.